And then this is our foreman.
Hello again. As you can see, I am back up to the cabin and I'm standing amongst all the trees that have come down. I did a video about this last fall when we had a windstorm come through, knock down a bunch of trees. Well, I've got one beautiful live green tree that is going to have to come down. It's really a shame. It's very upsetting, but it's highly technical, so it's not one that I can get out my chainsaw and drop it. I've dropped a lot of trees up here, but this is way beyond my technical expertise. So I've got a professional coming in, and I'll show you kind of step by step. This is going to be an unusual video, but we had a lot of people working. We had a lot of cameras and phones and pictures going. So I'm going to try to combine all this and have it all make some sense. It really is amazing. The Silvers family cabin was built in the late 1950s, and my wife's grandfather purchased the cabin, and he actually took possession of it, I believe, in 1961, I think is what the deed showed. And you can see in this photograph, there to the left, front corner of the cabin, there's a small tree. Our knowledge is they bulldozed the lot all around the cabin and they just left a few trees. Well, this little tree, after 70 years, is now a very large problem. We did an addition to the front of the cabin, nice little covered patio. Our roofing contractor was supposed to work next to the tree, but they chose to work around the tree. So we lived with it. It's been 11 years. And now after this big windstorm that came through last year, really worried about this tree not only doing damage to the corner of the cabin, but possibly falling on the cabin and doing some very serious damage. So as much as we hate to do it, this big tree is just going to have to come in. So what we have to do, this brave soul, and I'll introduce him to you here in a little bit. He will climb all the way to the top of the tree, as you can see him here, and then he's going to work his way back down. He'll start by topping it off and then come down cutting away branches and then taking out section by section as he gets it down to where we're comfortable with being able to just drop what's left. All right, let me introduce you to the group. Russell, he's the brains, he's the muscle, he's the professional. This is my wife's cousin Bill and his daughter Erin. Russell is Erin's husband. And last but not least, this is Lee. Lee is the 5th generation to be working on the grounds here at the Silvers cabin.
That smells good, don't it?
I would cut it from this side.
If you stand here, you can get the whole log there too.
Wow, look at that hinge.
Good work, Russell.
You did it.
Tree tamer.
Don't let him.
Thank
Don't
you
let
very
him
much,
talk
Russell.
you into anything.
No.
Tree whisperer. The tree whisperer.
Russell's tree cycle.
That's right.
Come on down.
970
You grow them, we chop them.
685-7814.
You grow them, we cut them.
And here you can get the whole log there too.
Wow, look at that hinge.
Good work, Russell.
You did it. Tree tamer.
Don't let him.
Thank you very much, Russell.
Anything.
No.
Tree whisperer.
That's pretty cool. Signature.
The mark of an artist.
That's his signature.
I love it.